Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Docker installed, and a clean project root. Once done, choose a small base image that matches your runtime, for example Alpine or official language images, and create a Docker file. Use Workdir, copy only required files, and run to install dependencies. Make sure to add a Docker ignore to avoid shipping bulky folders. Now build a first image locally with Docker build trp local, so you can iterate quickly and catch early errors. Next, focus on the detailed execution. Implement a multi-stage build so compilers and dev dependencies don't live in the final image. Once the build stage finishes, copy only the compiled app into a slim runtime stage. Configure environment variables and expose the necessary port, and set a clear entry point or CMD. For development, mount code as a volume. For production, bake config and avoid volumes. Finally, tag images with semantic names, and use Docker build. To finish, run the container locally, map ports, and verify endpoints. Make sure health checks pass before pushing. Once validated, tag the image with a version and push to your registry so deployments can reference it. When deploying, use orchestration or simple Docker run in your environment, and mount persistent storage as required. If something goes wrong, a key troubleshooting tip. If the container fails to start, check Docker logs and verify that the container's user, file permissions, and exposed ports match expectations. Port conflicts and permission errors are common causes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.